You're on a mission to lose weight, but the rest of the world isn't fitting into your plan. So I asked my friend, host of the #1 morning show in the country, Elvis Duran, to share his plan to lose weight in a skinny world. Now, it's perfect for anyone out there like Shayna who feels alone in her weight loss journey. The first goal is to broadcast your goals. Explain what that means.
Well, first of all, and Dr. Oz may not understand this because I don't think you've ever been overweight, have you?
6th grade, too many fluffernutters.
You don't remember that.
Long
now,
time
we
ago.
live in a world where people stress us out. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Stress eating. When you get stressed out, you want to eat your feelings, as they say. You let your friends know, look, I'm on a journey now to lose some weight and take care of my health, but I need for you to stop stressing me out. You're making me want a corn dog. But also, you know what? We live in a world where we have to be out in the world, in the real world. And so we're out socializing with our friends, hanging out. Let them know, look, I'm going to be on this journey where I need to lose weight. I need to watch what I'm eating. I will be with you. You're not going to see less of me, but I need for you to understand what I'm going through.
So very specifically, Elvis obviously can talk to millions of people on the radio, but you have other ways of doing this, right? You can text, you can post to Facebook,
Sure.
you tweet. I don't care how you do it, but you got to get the word out that you're on this journey. And when people aren't helping you, they're enabling you.
True.
They move on.
I like to write. I started a blog that I didn't finish, just like all my diets, called Overweight and Underwhelmed or something like that, and maybe I'll get back to it and share it.
As you do this, I'll put it on DrOz.com.
Great, that'll be fun. That'll give me motivation.
Perfect.
Yes.
And it'll make you accountable.
Thank you.
Go back to this other thing you just touched on a little bit. This is a big step, separating the eating from this socializing.
You want to get into that?
Yeah, a little bit. 'Cause I know this is a big issue for you.
Going out to a restaurant with friends. Do you have cocktails from time to time?
Occasionally.
Occasionally, on
No,
festive
never,
occasions.
no,
Right.
no. Shit,
Look, you
no.
know what I do now? I drink vodka and water when I want a cocktail, and I'll nurse the same drink for a long time. And as you start to lose weight, you will begin to feel the effects of the alcohol faster. I'm not calling you a cheap drunk. That's not what I'm saying. But you know what? You could actually just keep adding ice to your drink and just drink slowly. There's no race to get to inebriation.
And you can do things that don't involve food. So what's a plan you could do with people that are dear to you?
Absolutely. A lot of the friends that I've made over the years are through community service, so I could recommend something like that. I really like to hike. I do it by myself most of the time. You saw the picture with me and my dog, and maybe I can have my group of friends, instead of going to brunch on a Sunday, we can go for a hike.
Isn't it funny how so many things that we do with our friends involve food? They almost all do. So if it does involve friends, you go into a restaurant, go to their website, see what they have on their menu, and then just sort of choose what you're going to order a little early.
Okay, look it up ahead of time.
Yeah, look it up ahead of time so you're ready to go.
The next big tip that Elvis wants to offer you is he wants you to have nutrition first, cravings second. So Elvis, please explain.
Well, your stomach holds whatever it holds. You need to understand that at least 75% of what's in your stomach needs to be what's good for you, at least. Let's start with protein. Protein and fiber really are the two things you really need to get you going. I would say start and always begin your meal with what's good for you. We always want to go to sugar.
So go ahead and demonstrate. This is your body.
Me?
This is your body. This is the future your body, right? So go ahead and show me. Normally, when you're eating, the sugar represents what you want because, frankly, for most of America, sugar is what you want.
Cake, pie.
Spilling all over. That's how much I want.
I want to put my tongue
That's
right.
fine.
Hold on.
And then,
No, keep going. No.
So let's say you're being good. You can stop right there, and you put half of the bad stuff in first. And go ahead, Elvis, add in the good stuff.
So the good stuff, you only have room for this. That's all you have room for.
Doesn't work.
But what about this good stuff? You didn't eat that.
What ends up happening, frankly, is this doesn't get in there. No, seriously, it gets. That's not. Instead,
Who
that is
cleans
nuts.
this mess up after you, Doctor?
Please, we'll do it together. I have some friends. Show me what Elvis does now.
Start with the good stuff.
Okay.
Always feed yourself what your body needs for fuel, which is the good stuff. We'll say
Protein.
proteins and things.
Fill it up. You fill that in there. Now go ahead and put the stuff that's not so good for you in there. Go ahead and, enjoy yourself. Because your brain is looking for nutrients. So you can put some in there, but you can't get quite as much in there. That's fine.
Right, and I had to go slower, too.
And the best part is you got all your nutrients in there. Now step over the walnuts to what maybe be the most important tip of all. Elvis wants you to embrace long-term gratification.
Yes.
Okay, Elvis.
You
ready. Let's
you
do
ready?
this. Yeah, what does this mean?
So, for instance, I was on the red carpet at the Grammys several weeks ago, and I was wearing my transitional tux. It's the tux that fit me now, but I know that I'm not going to be able to wear that tux.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you. That tux will be too large for me when I get to my goals. I always keep my goal tux in mind. I mean, I don't want to wear a tux ever again if I can help it. But when you have to think about what's down the road. If you stop and think, oh, a slice of pizza is great now, it is, but that's going to be over once you finish that last bite. When you start thinking about your life in the long term,
Right.
your goals, like what do you want to wear? Is there a picture of you in your jeans?
Yes,
Yeah,
we have one.
I call them my gold jeans.
Okay, look.
There it is.
Okay.
They
So
do
you
not
can't-
fit.
You cannot button those up. I
I
have a
cannot.
challenge for you.
Okay.
When you lose enough weight for those to button, I want you to come to the show and come see us one morning. Let's talk.
Whoa!
Okay, that would
think
be
that's very
awesome.
important.
Thank you.
So, you know what?
That's a great motivator.
It's a great
Thank you. Wow.
When you're starting to think about a piece of cherry pie, which is fabulous, I have
Oh,
no problem
I
with
love
that.
the bake.
Also think about those jeans. Yeah, I really want to button those
I
jeans
do.
because you're going to button them.
Okay.
You're going to do this.
I believe it.
You're going to get
Okay.
it done, but you have to always keep that in your head.
I will.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.